Welcome to an introduction to the ATLA Religion Database. If you are looking for materials for your research in religious studies or theology, you will find this database to be an invaluable tool. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to answer the following questions. What are some of the resources that ATLA Religion Database provides? How can good information about a topic be found? So what is ATLA? ATLA stands for the American Theological Library Association. It's a professional association of librarians who provide research support for students and scholars of theological and religious studies. And this is the database we'll be learning how to use. To find the ATLA database, or Atlas, from the library homepage, click on Articles and Databases. From here, we can either scroll down, or to make it easier, use the Find function, that's Control F, and type in ATLA, and it will take you directly to the link to go to the database. Atlas is hosted by EBSCO, so the interface itself may be very familiar. There are search boxes with drop-down menus of Boolean operators like and, or not. There are also limiting features that can be used to narrow a search. Now, Atlas provides access to hundreds of full-text journals and other sources which contain information about many religious traditions. For example, Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, as well as a host of other religious traditions. To search, type in a word or phrase in one or more of the search boxes. For example, to search for materials related to Islam and food, just type these terms into the search boxes. Since the Boolean operators are set to AND, every search result will be related in some way to the combinations of these words. This search generated 76 results, perhaps too many to go through right now. So let's limit our search and also look for materials that have been published more recently. Checking off full text, scholarly peer-reviewed journals, as well as narrowing the date range, has significantly narrowed the search. Using these limiters has generated a total of 23 results, which is a manageable number of articles to go through. Now to review, the ATLA Religion Database, or Atlas, provides access to hundreds of resources which contain information about topics in a wide variety of religious traditions, including Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, as well as a host of other religious traditions. Atlas uses the EBSCO's interface, which allows for searching using Boolean operators, such as AND or, as well as a number of limiters, like the type of resource and the date of publication. For information about more advanced searching tools in Atlas, watch our other tutorials on how to use the ATLA Religious Database. Thank you.